Yeah, what?
I'm here with the news reporter. Blowing up on a story about you beating up David before the final match.
It makes me laugh to think that he's in the hospital. Now, if he's gonna chicken out and not show up at Last Stand this Sunday, that's not my problem. I'll just become the new TWE champion by forfeit.
Oh, so I see how you can play it.
Yeah, what are you talking about? You know what? I'm getting out. Let's go.
Get out of here.
Come on. What do you want from me?
I want this. Don't mess with me. Do it again, I'm killing you.